Hello, today I'm going to show you how to disable or remove the Microsoft Wi-Fi Direct Virtual Adapter in Windows 11. This virtual adapter is used for features like mobile hotspot and Miracast, but if you don't use those, it might be taking up resources or causing conflicts. Disabling it can help tidy up your network adapters list or troubleshoot connectivity issues. Let's get started. First, open the search menu. Type Device Manager into the search bar and open the top result. In Device Manager, double-click on the Network Adapter section to expand it. Look for Microsoft Wi-Fi Direct Virtual Adapter in the list. If you don't see it, click on View in the top menu, then select Show Hidden Devices. Once located, right-click on the adapter. To disable it, choose Disable Device. Once disabled, a small icon, a circle, will appear next to the device name. To re-enable the device, right-click it and select Enable, or click the green button at the top. I hope this helped you out, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.